Okay, so let's look at, we did this last night. So the setup was from passing the guard, you get chest back on the mat, open up the inside space, basic hip and lever, cut cross pass, only I bait Shay into winning the underhook, and as he turtles, we're in the turtle top again. So nothing's really changed, you know, I'm starting to put weight on him, looking to go for the double swing, but I feel over his right shoulder isn't available. So another thing I can be doing is a crucifix setup. So I'm going to get my right knee and put it between his left elbow and his left knee. Again, sometimes I'll grab the back of the neck and his foot, and I can pull him forward a little bit and then look to hook his left arm and my left foot, and then I get my knees to the mat and I'm pinching his left arm between my knees. Again, I can triangle my legs if I choose to. Nothing's really changed. We're still going for that same setup that we did in the last move. Coming over the left shoulder this time, right comes over, make that initial grip, do your pass off. Instead of me chopping in the right hook, I'm going to roll over my right shoulder into the crucifix if I choose to. We can just do it from the crucifix position, which is here, or I can keep it with my right hand, push in the head, leg comes over and hit it from the Gregorian. Just flat in your back there, bro. So create the space, move into headquarters, beat the cut cross pass, the shake comes up, get into the front headlock position. Again, opening up, trying to work the step over Gregorian, but he's defending. So I can make a grip on the back of the collar, grab the far pants and start to get a penetrating knee. Just on this way, bro. So I get my knee between his left elbow and his left knee. If this isn't available and he's kind of keeping it hid, sometimes you can pull someone forward and they might post with their hand, and then I can make that initial hook. It'll be the battle of just your basic crucifix setup. So then I get my knee to the mat, I triangle my left foot behind the back of my right knee, and now we start to work the lapel just like the last time. So the lapel comes over the left shoulder, right arm's coming under, and I take the slack out of it, and now I'm just going to roll over my right shoulder. Circle this way, bro. So from there you can just finish from your crucifix position. So I could be passing this to my left hand, right comes at the back of my head, and you have just your basic crucifix assassin choke. Or if you want to keep it the same as what we were doing, I will keep the grip with my right hand, left closer, pushes on the head. Again, I don't want him pushing this leg off, so I do cross my ankles, and now I'm just bringing my right elbow to my hip. So just another option